If you've tried everything to fix your burnout, but you're still exhausted, unmotivated, and running on empty, this isn't another generic self-care video. I'm going to show you the psychological science behind why burnout happens and the 3 evidence-based steps that actually work to reverse it permanently. Most burnout advice tells you to take a vacation, practice self-care, or just rest more. But here's what psychology research reveals. Burnout isn't just about being tired. It's your nervous system stuck in chronic stress mode, and surface-level solutions won't reset it. I'm going to break down the actual neuroscience of burnout recovery using research from Stanford's Stress Lab and show you why your previous attempts haven't worked, plus the 3-step system that addresses the root cause. Step 1. Recognize your burnout type. First, you need to identify which type of burnout you're experiencing, because the recovery approach differs. There are 3 types of burnout. 1. Overload burnout. It occurs due to too much work, too little time. 2. Under-challenged burnout. It happens due to monotonous, unfulfilling tasks. 3. Neglect burnout. It is caused due to feeling helpless and unsupported. Each type requires a different psychological intervention. Most people assume they have overload burnout, but research shows under-challenged burnout is equally common and harder to recognize. Step 2. Reset your nervous system. Here's the science. Burnout keeps your sympathetic nervous system activated. You need to actively engage your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode. The 4-7-8 reset protocol. Breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 7 counts, exhale for 8 counts. Repeat 4 times, twice daily. This isn't just relaxation, it's neurological reprogramming. Studies show this pattern specifically activates vagus nerve function, which signals safety to your brain. Step 3. Rebuild your energy architecture. Most people try to go from burnout back to their old routine. That's like trying to run a marathon after breaking your leg. You need to rebuild systematically. Week 1 to 2. It's foundation phase. Protect your sleep architecture. Same bedtime and wake time. Eliminate one major stressor temporarily. Add one micro-recovery ritual, like 5 minutes walk or brief meditation. Week 3 to 4, it's expansion phase. Now you gradually reintroduce responsibilities. Practice saying no to non-essential requests. Schedule transition buffers between tasks. Week 5 plus, it's your integration phase. Implement sustainable boundaries. Regular energy audits, weekly check-ins with yourself. Maintain your nervous system reset practices. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Burnout isn't a personal failure. It's valuable data. Your nervous system is telling you something about your environment, boundaries, or values needs to change. When you listen to this signal instead of fighting it, recovery becomes sustainable. If this resonated with you, I've created more content on understanding your stress patterns and building psychological resilience. Check out my video on why burnout might actually be your body's way of protecting you. It'll help you see this experience from a completely different perspective.